Updating your Chase Zelle phone number is crucial for security and smooth payments. Whether you've upgraded your phone or need to protect against potential scams, the process is straightforward as of November 2025. First, log into your Chase mobile app on iOS or Android, or visit chase.com on your computer. Next, navigate to your Profile section, then select Contact Info and choose Phone Number from the options. Enter your new phone number in the provided field and submit the change request. You'll then need to reverify the new number, typically through an SMS code sent to your new phone or a push notification to your Chase app. Complete this verification step promptly. Once verified, Zelle will send a test notification to your new number confirming the update. The entire process usually takes just a few minutes. Changing your Zelle phone number isn't just about convenience, it's a key security measure. With phone number-related fraud on the rise, Chase has enhanced its verification processes, including potential biometric verification like facial recognition to combat SIM swapping risks. Looking ahead, trends indicate even greater security through AI-driven anomaly detection for suspicious changes. Experts recommend enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, as a critical first line of defense against fraud. While currently, phone number changes are mostly app-centric for Chase users, future updates may allow seamless changes across multiple banks. By staying proactive with updates and understanding the evolving security landscape, you can ensure your Chase Zelle account remains secure and functional.